Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to redeem your YouTube Premium code. So in order to redeem your YouTube Premium, all you have to do is open up a web browser. You can also do the same procedure with the help of an application. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. Once you open up a browser on the web address bar, type in youtube.com and then log in into your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, it's gonna take you to the home page. That's gonna look something like this. Right on this page, all you have to do is just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and then a mini pop-up menu appears. So from here you need to go to purchase and membership. After you do that, it's going to show you two different options, whether it's for a premium or for a YouTube music. So select premium and click learn more button underneath it. So in order to begin with the redemption, click on try it for free, and it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to provide in your card details. Under it, you might also find a way to redeem your code by tapping the redeem code button. But if you don't see such option, then you can simply tap or select add credit card or debit card and click the buy now button. All you have to do is just enter in the card details, that is the card number, month and year, security code, the card holder's name, and all sort of things. As soon as you've done that, you'll be receiving an email stating that you've successfully redeemed your code. In that way, you can redeem code for YouTube Premium. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.